When people look back at their lives, the little moments are those that stick. Curling up in the bed with the people we love, talking about random things, taking a walk and enjoying each other's company. It's the everyday things that get to us, that make the bigger things in life worth it. We just need to live it the right way in order to make the most out of it. And a healthier lifestyle is the first step towards that. That's where Jinga Juice comes in. Because with it, it's all good. We get one shot, why do it any other way, right? Jinga Juice is a refreshing new powder drink made from a combination of the wonders of wheatgrass and the goodness of guyabano, the first of its kind. It's a healthy innovation that will better your everyday, because life demands you give it all. And the team behind Jinga Juice engineer the drink with your well-being in mind. It's a delicious health drink with the power of 2 superfoods. Jinga Juice is delightfully palatable thanks to the tart flavor of guyabano. Taken regularly along with a balanced diet, exercise and rest, Jinga Juice can greatly enhance overall health and give the body resistance to diseases. It's all good in every possible way.
There are many advantages to drinking Jinga Juice. Its nutritional facts I'll enumerate. First main ingredient is wheatgrass. Purify and cleanses the body. Helps rejuvenate cells and blood cell formation. Protects our body against cancer. Reduce hypertension by dilating blood vessels in hypertensive patients. The second main ingredient of Jinga Juice is guyabano. It fights cancer cells, kills malignant cells in 12 different types, such as breast cancer, colon cancer, prostate cancer, lung cancer, and others. Similarly, it lowers blood pressure in hypertensive patients, boosts the immune system, helps improve general health and energy, and many more. Therefore, Jinga Juice is a winner in health. It just has too many great advantages that it is a very smart choice for people who want to live a healthy lifestyle. Who doesn't?
Maganda ang Jinga Juice kasi ito ay pinagsamang dalawang superfoods. Ito ang wheatgrass at ang guyabano. Importanteng maging healthy dahil ito ang puhunan natin para makapaghanap buhay. Kapag tayo ay healthy, mas ma-enjoy natin ang ating success. At higit sa lahat, kailangan natin maging healthy para sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. So bago ako naging successful sa buhay, dati akong technician sa isang appliance company sa Makati. So 7 years ako nag-work, 6,000 naman ang aking sweldo. So bukod doon, ang nanay ko ay manicurista. Bukod doon, tatay ko naman, 5 taon pa lang ako patay na. Taga-Pasig ako dati. Ang bahay namin, likod ng palengke ng Pasig. Ang likod naman namin, Ilog Pasig. Sa amin sa Pasig, yung konting ulan lang, binabaha na hanggang baywang. So medyo napakahirap ng buhay ko dati bago ako napasok sa ganitong sistema ng negosyo. Sa hirap ng buhay, nangarap din ako makaranas ng ginhawa. So na-invite ako ng kaibigan ko na technician din. So nung in-invite niya ako, inintindi ko lang yung pinaliwanag niya sa akin. Actually, nagbukas lang ako ng isip sa ganong sistema kasi hindi ko siya linya. So maganda lang, inaral ko yung produkto, inaral ko yung negosyo, at pinilit kong magbigay ng oras at panahon para sa ganitong sistema. Ang maganda, guminawa ang aming buhay, eto na naging resulta ng lahat ng pagsisikap na. So ang pinaka-importanteng success para sa akin ay yung naibigay ko yung lahat ng pangangailangan ng pamilya ko, napag-aaral ko sa mga magagandang school yung mga anak ko, nabigyan ko ng bahay lupa yung magulang ko, at ang pinaka-importante talaga sa buhay ko, yung marami akong mga kagrupo o downline na natulungan na maiahon din sila sa hirap. Nakagaya ko rin na naging successful. So ang payo ko sa lahat, kung kaya ko, kaya nyo rin. So mangarap, magsikap, at magtiyaga. Kung ano yung mga naabot ko, maaabot nyo rin. Maganda ang Jinga Juice dahil para sa mga iinom nito, makakatulong ito para magkaroon kayo ng magandang kalusugan. At para naman sa mga gustong maging dealers, opportunity ito para magkaroon ng magandang kabuhayan.
Jinga Juice is more than just a wheatgrass and guayabano powder drink. It's not only the first of its kind, and it's more than a fulfillment of a nutritional need. It's refreshing, it's healthy, and it's an everyday step towards a healthier lifestyle and a fully realized life. In every possible way, Jinga Juice. It's all good.